Good morning, friends. Myself, Mahzubin Sheikh, Vibrant Science School, welcome you all in online teaching. Today, we are going to learn flamingos indigo. Indigo is going to assist students in learning about the chapter in a summarized version. Indigo is about how Mahatma Gandhi struggled for the underprivileged peasant for Champaran. They were the sharecroppers with the British planters. The peasants used to live rich life and were under an agreement to grow indigo. As Bihar has the landlord system back then, it was their condition. Thus, Gandhiji decided to fight against injustice. He waged a war which lasted for a year to tackle the discrimination and got justice for the peasant. After that, it helped the peasant become courageous and aware of their fundamental right. Moreover, Gandhiji did not just work to tackle political or economical issues, but he also took up social issues. He worked to provide them with education, health, hygiene, and taught them self-confidence. This story is set in 1916, where Gandhiji stepped up to help a bunch of poor peasants from Champaran. It gives an account of how he struggled to bring them justice and equalities. Thus, it begins with most of the arable land of Champaran that divides into a large estate. The owner of the estate are Englishmen and the workers are Indian tenants. We learn that the chief commercial crop on this land is indigo. Moreover, we also see that the landlords compel all the tenants to the plant 50% of their indigo and submit the whole harvest in the form of rent. The tenants are under a long-term agreement to do so. However, Germany started developing synthetic indigo. Thus, the British do not require the indigo crop anymore. Thus, in order to release the poor peasant from their agreement of 15, they start demanding compensation. While some of the uneducated peasants agreed on this, the other did not agree. Thus, we notice that one of the shopkeeper, Rajkumar Shukla, arranges for a meeting with Gandhiji. He meets him for the same issue and insists Gandhiji to visit the place to end the long-standing injustice. Gandhiji agrees and boards a train to Patna in Bihar. After that, Rajkumar Shukla helps Gandhiji visit the house of Rajendra Prasad, a lawyer. As Gandhiji dresses simply, the servant thought of him to be a poor peasant. Thus, Gandhiji planned before trying to get the peasant any justice. It is because the British government are punishing anyone who is keeping national leader or protesters. Thus, when Gandhiji arrived in the place, the news of his arrival and mission spread across the town like wildfire. This resulted in a lot of lawyers and peasant group of pouring in large number in his support. Consequently, the lawyer did accept that the charges that are quite high and too unreasonable for a poor peasant. However, Gandhiji was criticizing them for collecting huge fees for the sharecroppers. He was emphasizing on counseling as this will provide the peasant with confidence to fight their fear. Thus, he manages to get justice after a year-long fight for the peasant. He has also arranged for the education, health and hygiene for the family of their poor peasant. Finally, he teaches the lesson of self-sufficient and self-confident. To sum up, Indigo summary, we learn how Gandhiji did not merely help in freeing India but was always work for the betterment of his countrymen from the very start.